Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks so much for coming by. My name is Ashlee and I'm a homeschooling mom of 4 kiddos. And today we are going to be doing the Homeschool Mom box swap unboxing. This is a collab with so many other homeschooling moms on YouTube that my friend Rachel at Day to Day Joys started. I participated for the past 2 years, so I think that it's been going on for about 2 years, and every year it grows more and more, so I can't thank Rachel enough for organizing this for all of us. It is so fun. So I will have the link to the entire playlist down below for you guys, and if you're coming over from someone else's channel, welcome. I hope you'll subscribe and stick around to my channel. So the way that it works is Rachel pairs everybody up anonymously. So you send a box to someone, they send a box to you. There is a $25 limit on the box, and you get a surprise in the mail, and you send a surprise to someone as well. So you're supposed to do a little market research, discreetly watch their videos, see what their favorite things are, and just send them a little box of goodies to start off the homeschool year, you know, a little more joyful. So I sent my box to Jameral. You probably already all watch her, so if you have not found her, I will have her link down below to her channel. And I received a box. I do not know who this is from, although it was wrapped and on the back of this paper wrapping, I don't want to show the front because there is an address on it. It says, behind this piece of paper is a photo. Forgot to add it. Don't look until you find out who I am. So I have an idea because of the state that it came from, but we're going to go ahead and unbox this now. So the card says my name on it, and it says, just a hug just for you. Ashlee, I am so glad that when I was using random.org to organize this, it gave me you. So it's Rachel, the organizer of it, especially since you sent me a box last year. I've loved watching you and even meeting you, because we did meet once, and learning from you these past couple of years. Thank you for encouraging me when I've had hard times, pointing me to Jesus, and inspiring me to be the best homeschooling mom I can be. I picked a theme, you'll see it soon, and thought it was fitting since I grew up in the desert and you live there now. And then she wrote the scripture, Isaiah 35, 1-2. The day the desert will rejoice, the desert will be glad and blossom. Hope you enjoy it all. Rachel at Day to Day Joys. Oh, Rachel, thank you so much. I love this card, and I'm so excited that this is from you. And I love that you did a theme. That is so creative. Okay, so let's see what's inside my box. I can hardly take it. This is so cute. I love this little box. Look at it. It's the cactuses. Be extraordinary. Very cute. Love that. We'll reuse that box for sure. Okay, so here's the inside, guys. She individually wrapped everything, which is so sweet. Okay, it says, because these are always fun. So I'm going to open this up. Some stickers, and they're like along the same theme line. So those are so cute for my planner. Love that, Rachel. Thank you. Let's see. For when you need a little bit of coffee or tea and a whole lot of Jesus, which is every single day, multiple times a day. So let's see. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I love this little cactus mug. How cute is that? Thank you. Okay, for you, your kids, hubby, or all to have some fun. So let's see what this is. Oh, she knows. How fun is this? So it's a little ball that you roll, and it says 20 push-ups, a water break, 30 mountain climbers, 20 burpees. That is so cute. She knows that we like to work out around here. That is adorable, Rachel. I'm going to use that for homeschool, like to make them tired. Just because I couldn't resist, and you got me one similar last year. So yeah, if you guys want to watch last year's videos, you can see that I sent Rachel a box last year. Oh, okay, now I remember. I did send her a little cactus. This one's so cute because I can put a little picture on it. So sweet. All right, for when you need someone to write someone a note. Cute. So this is a little letter set, and there are 2 cards and 4 letters and envelopes in here. Also the cactus theme. Thank you, Rachel. I love sending thank you notes to people, and so these will come in handy for all those lists type of things, which there's thousands of lists at all times in my life. You should probably do these things. How cute is that? That's really cute. I like that it has check boxes next to it. For when I need a boost. Let's see what's in here. Some tea. Herbal peppermint tea. Organic too. Thank you, Rachel. Okay, to keep memories of my homeschool and my YouTube journey. Oh, that is so cute. It's a little photo album. Look, I love the gold stripe. That is so sweet. Thank you. For doodling, for grading, or for when you need to write to God. Let's see. Yes, I love new pens. 10 cheerful felt tip pens by Art 101. Thank you so, so much. And the last thing in my box is for memories in my homeschool room. So let's see what this is. Oh, it's a chalkboard frame, so you can write whatever it is and then erase it and put a new one on there. I love that. Thank you so much, Rachel. I love my box. You are so sweet and so thoughtful. And now I get the picture thing. So let's see what's in here. Let's see. This is creative, Rachel. Very, very, very creative. Aww. How cute are you? Okay, so she printed out a picture of like a still of the video she was vlogging when we met. She was here for work with her husband, and we met at a coffee shop and we just chatted, and it was really fun to meet her. So thank you so much, Rachel, and thank you again for organizing this for all of us homeschooling mamas. We really appreciate you. Make sure you go watch the box that I sent to Jameral, and I hope you loved it if you're watching this, and thank you guys for spending some time with me today. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you check out the other videos down below. It's just a fun little swap and a way to encourage each other here on YouTube, and I love this homeschooling community so, so much. So thank you guys for being here with me, and I'll see you in my next video really soon. Bye, guys.